Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mommy Sharon channel. Again, this is your Mommy News. Materials to use: soy wax, sticker paste to put on the wick, our yellow dye, our sweet orange fragrance, mix it, and pour it to your mold. So today I made a cheese, and I'm gonna make another one, another style or another type of candle. So I put my soy wax into a boil. So I'm gonna wait for it to boil. This is like 400 grams and I use for 10% of the scent. There you go. After it's mixed, I'll gonna put on my scent, my fragrance. I love the fruity smell. And I love doing it. It's fun. And there you go. I put on some decorations on my scented wax, scented candles. And finally, my finished product, my cheesy cheese, my lemonade and strawberry smoothie. Yes, so candle making is such a fun, especially if you're doing it for decoration purposes. Thank you for watching. Bye.